This is Navagesera Hadija in Reading AI project. This project is specifically for reading books for the people. A user will enter a desired book into the system, say romantic, scientific, or adventure. This system will be able to view this input, reason it out, understand it, and provide the feedback in voice. It's an AI algorithm that will create human-like reading program based on our own language, so that to enable anyone, regardless of the ability, be it that person can't read, that person can't write, this system will support that person. It will improve on people's literature, reduce stress. Maybe the book is over 1,000 pages. This person is stressed when to finish and how. This system will help that person. Entertainment, of course, and focus. How AI will be applied in this system: using the Vision API to convert our PDF books into text files, the use of automation language tables to understand the layout of the book entered by the user or document, using the text-to-speech API for converting our preprocessed text entered by the user into MP3 audio files to listen to. Yes, so types of data that will be applied in here or will be using: quantitative data, structured, qualitative data. Quantitative data will help us in information that might be counted and expressed in numbers. Structured will help our system follow the persistent order of the book entered by the user. Qualitative data, this will help us in the information. There is information that can't be expressed as numbers and values and can't be counted. So qualitative data will help us in that. Difference between supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning uses labeled datasets, whereas unsupervised learning use unlabeled datasets. Supervised learning predicts outcome of new data, whereas the unsupervised just insights from large volume of new data. Since supervised uses labeled data, it's a simple method for ML, whereas unsupervised, its datasets are not labeled at all. So it's a complex method for machine learning. Supervised techniques in our project: there is decision making and regression. Decision making, this will help and enable our system to process the input clearly and faster, hence making accurate predictions and decisions. Regressions will also predict continuous outcomes for the system. Unsupervised learning techniques here: there is K-mean clustering. This is to classify unlabeled data, since unsupervised used unlabeled data sets. So K-mean clustering help us grouping this data by feature rather than predefining categories. Neural networks will help us to teach our computer to process data in a way that the user is inspired. AI technical challenges in our system: there is static security and storage. Determining the right data for the user. Maybe when scientific, the system provides adventure, that's a challenge. Bias problem: the book is so wide and the user might get biased or tired along the way before finishing, so it's also a challenge in our system. Solutions: the system will be defining and narrowing the problem or the book. If the book is 1,000 pages, maybe the system will be able to at least shorten a bit. Yeah, also thinking about all our end users, those who would like to listen to Romantic books, scientific adventure are all sorted. Annotated with diversity, our system will be able to deliver accurate results. If you want adventure, the system brings adventure, not romantic. The difference between the following: there is accuracy, recall, precision, and F1 score. Accuracy is a fraction of prediction. Our model got right. If you put in romantic, it brings romantic. That is accuracy. Recall, the system measures the model's ability to detect positive samples. Precision is the quality of the positive prediction made by our model. F1 score, it sums up the predictive performance of the model. Then the AI evaluation metrics in our system, there is accuracy, precision, F1 score, and recall. The most relevant references in this system, there is natural language processing, machine vision, and speech recognition, of course. Yes, this is the implementation or the instructions that will be followed when implementing our system. You can leave a question in the comment section. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you for viewing my project. See you soon.